This is Dr. Shanzi Holly, and welcome to this month's Superintendent Snapshot. April was a month of connection to opportunity, connection to community, and connection to the experiences that prepare our students for what comes next. Let's take a look at some of the highlights from this month. I am incredibly proud to share that BCIT West has been named a 2026 State and National School of Character, one of the highest honors a school can receive. This recognition speaks for who we are as a district. We not only focus on academic excellence, but on developing the students who lead with integrity, purpose, and passion. At BCIT, we are building more than futures. We are building leaders ready to make their mark on the world. At BCIT Medford, students came together for their formal and evening filled with celebration, connection, and school pride. These moments remind us that school is not only about academics and career preparation, but also about building memories and strengthening community. That sense of preparation was front and center during Career Week. Our campuses welcome business partners, organizations, and industry professionals who volunteer their time to support mock interviews and share their expertise. This was more than an event, it was real-world preparation. Students had the opportunity to practice professional skills, receive feedback, and build confidence. And I even had the opportunity to sit in and participate in interviews myself, seeing firsthand the talent and potential our students bring to the table. We also proudly celebrated Women's History Month with our second annual Queening event. This powerful celebration continues to uplift and empower our young women, creating a space where they are seen, celebrated, and reminded of their strength, leadership, and limitless potential. Our law enforcement students had the opportunity to participate in Rowan College at Burlington County's Law Enforcement Day, gaining valuable experience and exposure to career pathways and hands-on experiences that bring their learning to life. Across Medford, Spirit Week brought energy and excitement to the campus. From pep rallies to friendly competitions, students and staff came together to celebrate school pride and build a strong, unified culture. And through our VOTAG showcase, students had the opportunity to present their work, demonstrating their skills and highlight the innovation happening across our programs. It is always inspiring to see their creativity and commitment come to life. That same level of dedication extends beyond the classroom. I am proud to announce that our Medford Tech boys bowling team had a historic season, capturing both the Liberty Division and South Jersey Group 2 championships and finishing fourth in the entire state for the first time in school history. While at BCIT, students continue to explore career pathways and celebrate their achievements. That same sense of connection and growth is felt across our special services campuses. Last month, BCSSSD brought Literacy Day to life in some truly memorable ways. Our related services team transformed the gym into an interactive neighborhood where students step into a world centered on community, kindness, and connection. Students then explored hands-on neighborhood spaces like a hair salon, grocery store, and recycling center, bringing literacy to life through play and real-world experiences. We also kicked off the week with our very own open house, welcoming families into the experience and giving them the opportunity to participate alongside their child. It was more than a celebration of reading. It was a reflection of the strength, connected community we build every day at Special Services. Our annual resource fair and egg hunt once again brought families and community members together for a day filled with connection, support, and celebration. Events like this continue to strengthen the partnership that support our students beyond the classroom. April is Autism Awareness Month, and across our campuses, we are engaging in meaningful activities that promote understanding, acceptance, and support for individuals with autism. These efforts reflect our ongoing commitment to continuing inclusive environments where every student is valued and supported. Through community-based instruction, students at East Campus visited Liberty Lakes as part of Operation Camp Ready, where they engaged in real-world tasks, built independence through daily living skills, and connected with peers in a supportive, inclusive setting. Experiences like this help build confidence and prepare students for meaningful participation in their communities. One of the most anticipated events of the year, our prom fashion show, brought excitement to students and families alike. This event is more than just a showcase. It is a moment of confidence, joy, and celebration that our community looks forward to each year. Looking back on April, it is clear that connection is at the heart of everything we do. We see it in the partnerships that open doors for our students, in the celebrations that uplift our school communities, and in the everyday moments that help our students grow into confident, capable individuals. This is what Mission Possible looks like in action. I continue to be inspired by our administrators, our staff, and the unwavering commitment they show to our students each and every day. Thank you for being such an important part of our BCIT, BCSSSD community. I look forward to sharing even more of our progress with you next month. Bye.